What's up there, YouTubers? Today I want to show you how to fix my, well, I did a quick fix, easy fix on my latch here. So the cable that goes to the lock up front was snapped. And I believe it's this cable right here, which opens that. So see how that's closed. Then pretty much every day I had to take a key to get it open. It's kind of a pain. I'll show you where the latch is right over here. So you come over here. See right here I made a little kind of a makeshift handle. Yeah, it made me a handle. See, here's the latch. Here, pull that. Here's a latch that was broken. Thing snapped, which was this cable right here. Busted that. Here's the cable. And so did a quick fix on it. Got that open. All right, so I got it closed now. Come over here. Let me show you this. My little handle. Just pull it like that. That's real good. And it's open. Look at that. There you go. Get right into it. And yeah, there you have it. It's a 2007 Toyota Corolla. Just didn't want to spend all kinds of money fixing it. And figure, you know, got only another year or two to go. So figure, well, might as well just fix it. A quick fix on it. You see, I just pulled the handle. There you go. All I did was take the cable, stretch it forward, put it on this bolt here. I know it's pretty cheesy, but it works. Since this is no good, this still opens. So that cable still works. You get to the back. Yeah, there you go. Quick fix, but figured car's only good for another year or two. Anyway, anybody wants to figure out what to do with that if they have the same situation, yeah, that's what I did. Quick fix. I'll see you later. Bye.